In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add time tracking in Hubstaff. Manual entries are perfect for those moments when you forgot to run the timer or you need to record work done away from your computer. I'll walk you through the exact flow so your time is accurate for reports, budgets, and invoices. Start by opening your Hubstaff dashboard and signing in to your existing account. Once you're in, head to the timesheets area. This is where all of your recorded time lives, and it's also where you can add time by hand. Look for the Add Time option and click it. Think of this as creating a single time block for a past period. Next, choose a project. Every manual entry must be tied to a project so it shows up correctly in reports and, if applicable, on client invoices. Open the project dropdown and select the specific project you worked on. If you're part of multiple teams or workspaces, double check that you're adding time under the right one. You'll see an option for To Do. Click it, then choose Selected To Do to link this time to a specific task. This helps keep work traceable and makes progress easier to review. If your organization doesn't use tasks, you can simply leave this blank. Now set the time span. Click the time span field, then enter your start time in the From field and your end time in the To field. Make sure the date at the top of the page matches the day you worked. If you took a break, create separate entries for each uninterrupted block so your totals remain clean and non-overlapping. Accuracy here prevents issues with approvals and payroll later. Decide whether the time is billable. If this work should be invoiced to a client, check billable. If it's internal, training, or otherwise non-billable, leave it unchecked. This single choice controls how the entry appears on invoices and in billable utilization reports, so choose carefully based on your organization's policy. Add a clear reason or description. A short specific note like client website updates, homepage banner, and menu fixes is far more helpful than something vague. Good notes make approvals faster and give future you the context you'll need when reviewing timesheets. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new entry will appear in your daily list and will be included in summaries and reports. If you spot a typo or wrong time later, you can open the entry and adjust it, subject to your organization's permissions. That's it, manual time added in Hubstaff cleanly and confidently. Thanks for watching and feel free to replay any section while you add your own entry.